Okay guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Inphic A9 Explorer mouse. We have seen bunch of Inphic kind of mouse and they're really amazing, but this kind of Inphic A9 Explorer, it's a little bit something else. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Okay, there we go. So this is our Inphic A9 Explorer box and we're going to be unboxing throughout here because I love about Inphic how they do it, because they give you this kind of product on this kind of box, but when you open it like this way, that's where you find your mouse, which is really great. And by the way, this color is black, it's not white, but they have variety of colors which you can check them out. So we're going to be unboxing this kind of Explorer mouse from Inphic. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here's our bad boy. As you can spot it, we're going to be unboxing it and see what's packed inside. So got my knife here with me, just like that, and we're gonna be doing this way, skadoosh. Really cool, just like that, and there we go. Whoa, nice. And what's packed inside? What else is here? So yeah, so we're having your cable in here, USB type C with the USB over there, which is really great. And you're having your paperwork over here. As you can spot it, this is your paperwork, and you're gonna be checking it out, how you can read it and stuff like that. And it's really cool, and I'm gonna keep it there. And this is your bad boy. As you can see it, guys, really nice A9 mouse from Inphic. It's an Explorer. It has Bluetooth, it has 2.4 gigahertz of dongle, which is here. So this is your dongle over here, which is quite impressive. And the mouse has a really nice capability through usage. And on this side, it has a USB type C port, which you can spot it. And here there's a lightning. So let me just give you a glimpse. So as you can see, it will light up, I guess. Okay, does it have juice? Are you having juice, to be honest? Or I need to connect? So I think I have just to connect on the PC. So as you can see, the lights, it's lighting up, but it's really cool, to be honest. I really like it. This kind of mouse has a really good capability on usage compared to the mouse which we had. So I've been rocking the A9 mouse from Inphic, and it's really good. It has a really nice capability through usage, bigger DPI, really nice fitting, same as A9. You can just see and feel how they are really cool throughout there. And even fitting wise throughout A9, I feel like A9 fits perfectly, same as A9, so quite no big deal. But I feel like this design could be on this, but I don't want to be skeptic over it. I kind of like the design from A9 Explorer. So we're gonna be checking out this one and explore it and usage, because it has almost all the features which this one has in terms of design, in terms of back and forward, in terms of capability wise. Though the DPI from here is quite no bigger, this one has much bigger DPI. So enough of me talking, let us just explore it through usage and experience the A9 Explorer from Inphic. As you can see, it's connected, and RGB right now it's popping up throughout here. So it has a smaller kind of display or screen. It's actually not displaying anything, but it shows you how the RGB glows, and yeah, it's really perfect. So we're going to be using our mouse, and that's the DPI, and you're going to be increasing the DPI by pressing this kind of button here. Then it will flash the coloring to indicate that you're in a certain stance of a DPI. So this is how you can use it over here throughout your machine, throughout editing. You can just do bunch of stuff. If you're a designer, you know what I mean. It's just a fitting good mouse throughout your setup. Can't complain at all throughout here. So this kind of Inphic A9 Explorer offers you a really nice stance of usage, and it's even having a software support, which you can download the software and use throughout the mouse and connect it on your PC and have bunch of configuration on your mouse depending on what you want. And this one here, I really like it throughout the design, and you can even game with it. So it's really dope. If you're a gamer, you can actually use this mouse and you can game perfectly, and it's just giving you a good experience on usage on your setup. And yeah, it's a really cool mouse from Inphic A9 Explorer. Okay, let's talk about the Inphic A9 Explorer specification and features. Well, it has a dual connection of 2.4 gigahertz wireless and a Bluetooth version 5.0. It has a range which can work up to 10 meters. It has a DPI adjustable from 800 all the way to 400 DPI. And they have both casual and precise for work. It has a battery built-in 500 mAh rechargeable battery with a Type-C charging and a faster and convenience. It has buttons, comes with 7 buttons giving you extra shortcuts for productivity or gaming. Durability rated for 3 million clicks, so it lasts you a long time. Weight around 107 grams, feels solid but still comfortable for daily use. Size 123 by 78 and 39 millimeter, fits nicely in the hand. Compatibility works with Windows, Mac OS, iOS and Android. So guys, should you consider buying the Inphic A9 Explorer? Well, yes, this is the most kind of budget mouse you can get from Inphic, and it's really nice through usage. It's very light, it has such a great and amazing vibe whenever you're using it, and it has a really good programmable kind of buttons, which these kind of buttons you press forward and back. So the Inphic A9 Explorer is such an amazing mouse for productivity, for gaming, for your normal usage, and it's really worth it. And it has this kind of RGB over here which gives it a really good vibe whenever you're using it, or whenever you're just keeping your mouse on your space. You just have to have that kind of glimpse of looking at it. I understand the E9 is such an amazing mouse. I've been using it for a while, and it's my kind of productivity kind of mouse. I replaced the mouse which I had in the past, which it was a Logitech MX Master 3, with the Inphic E9, and I love the Inphic E9. It's such an amazing kind of mouse. It fits in perfectly. But the E9 is like a baby from Inphic E9. So this is the Inphic A9 Explorer. So don't get messed up around whenever you wanna buy this kind of mouse. Just know that this is the Inphic A9 Explorer. This is the Inphic E9. So yeah, such an amazing kind of mouses from Inphic. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the Inphic A9 Explorer mouse. Such an amazing mouse from Inphic, and we're gonna be unboxing another next kind of upcoming mouse from Inphic. It's gonna be really great. Stay tuned, stay packed, you know what I'm saying, and it's gonna be really great. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.